Yo guys, what's up? Your boy is back, and today I'm gonna talk about the LG G7. LG is about to launch its next flagship, and I think it will be launching next month. Before its launch, there are many leaks we got about this device. Due to these leaks, we got to know that what we are getting in the device and have left little to none for the LG, and I think almost reveal the device before its launch. The latest email leak about the LG G7 showing its color options, and we can also see front and back of the device is also revealed in this image. There are 5 color options showing in this image about the phone. We can also see notch on the top of the device, and like many brands, LG is also keeping with the trend. It was first on iPhone X, and initially many people were not liking this thing, and now we can see every brand has a notch device except Samsung and Xiaomi. Few days back, LG also asked for a feedback from its customers that what they think about the notch, and now I think LG is taking the feedback into consideration and making a notch device. We can also expect a redefined camera from the LG V30s. There is not much leaked about the camera, and we don't know anything and pixels about the cameras, but we expect that camera will be redefined and completely will be in the competition with the Huawei P20 Pro and the S9 Plus. A leak also tells that there is an additional button under the volume rocker key, and it suggests that it is an AI assistant key. It is pretty much like Bixby button on Samsung phones. Talking about the specifications, we can expect an Snapdragon 845 processor under the hood with 4 GB and 6 GB of RAM. We can also expect a 6-inch Quad HD Plus notch display. The price of the phone has not yet confirmed. It is still up in the air, but we can expect a price between 7 to 800 US dollars. So that is for now. And if you know anything about this smartphone, sound off in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.